Hey there, this is Eric from BMI, and if you're getting started with Zoho CRM, this video is for you. Today we're walking through one of the most important but most overlooked parts of your CRM setup, data consistency. If you skip this step, your CRM becomes unreliable, messy, and hard to scale. With a few simple changes, you can avoid all of that. So what exactly do I mean by data consistency? It's about having a clear, structured way to enter and manage information across your CRM so that everyone on your team is speaking the same language. Without it, you end up with things like inconsistent naming, missing fields, and unreliable reports. It happens all the time, even in brand new setups. Here's what it looks like in practice. Here we've landed in the leads module of the CRM, and we're going to be taking a look at lead source. We can see that webinar in particular is tracked quite a few different ways. Webinar title of webinar, as a tag, as the month it occurred, as the role that the person played, and simply webinar. And if this granularity wasn't beneficial to your business, this is going to harm your reporting. And we can see that here. We're only tracking 3 records, this being from our webinar lead source, and you can see that some of our other outliers are being tracked elsewhere, which is leading to inaccurate reporting. So why does this happen? Usually because the team jumps straight into customizing their CRM without setting clear standards first. They're eager to move fast, which is great, but skipping structure in the beginning causes big problems later on. So how do you fix it? Here's how to build a clean, consistent CRM from day one, or how to fix it if you've already started. Use Picklists instead of free text. By that I mean a single line field. An example for that is we'll use lead source again. Tracking it in a pick list rather than tracking it in a single line typable field here is going to give you some guardrails and limits user input to predefined values. We can also create a simple usage guide. Even just a one-pager that explains field usage, required fields, and naming convention can save you hours of cleanup later. It can be something simple as a worksheet, or it can be a styled PDF. Really, whatever suits your needs. Limit unnecessary customization. Every field should have a clear purpose. If it's not being used or no one can explain it, get rid of it. Field level validation is great if you're working with a team, and it allows you to put guardrails, or rather validations, in place for what is tracked in a specific field and won't allow it to be saved if the certain parameters aren't met. So in this case, we're looking at email, and it must contain an @ symbol, or you'll not be allowed to save this, and you'll receive an error message saying, please enter a valid email. There are other ways to dial this in, and this can be used for more fields than just email. Remember, filters and reports are only as good as your inputs. And you don't need a perfect CRM setup to start, but you do need a consistent one. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment with the messy CRM data you've seen, and subscribe for more Zoho CRM insights. Thank you. Take care.